Today, we are building a completely manual dimming switch in Tinkercad without using a microcontroller or writing code. Grab a breadboard, a 9-volt battery, a light-emitting diode, and a 330 ohm resistor to protect it. Connect the straight leg, or cathode, of your LED straight to the ground rail. Now, add the star of the show, a potentiometer. This is a manual rotary dial, and inside is a hidden resistive strip. Power goes into terminal 1. Ground goes to terminal 2. And the center pin, called the wiper, outputs a variable voltage based on where you turn the knob. Connect the wiper pin straight to the resistor on your LED's positive leg. Hit Start Simulation, drag the dial back and forth, and watch the brightness smoothly fade up and down. In video 5, we add a push-button switch to the mix. Hit Follow to learn electronics with me.